Lectins are proteins found in plants. These proteins are fascinating because they play a crucial role in the plant's survival and interaction with its environment. They act like the plant's defense system, warding off potential threats that could harm the plant. Think of them as tiny guards, always on the lookout, protecting the plant from insects, pests, and even some diseases. These tiny defenders are constantly at work, ensuring the plant's health and longevity. Lectins are not just limited to wild plants, they are present in many of the foods we consume daily. Some common examples include beans, which are a staple in many diets around the world. Grains such as wheat and rice and a variety of vegetables also contain lectins. These foods are rich in nutrients and form the basis of many healthy diets. Lectins have a unique ability to bind to carbohydrates, particularly sugars. This binding is not random, it is highly specific and plays a significant role in the plant's defense mechanisms. This binding process is very specific, much like a precise chemical reaction that occurs under controlled conditions. It's like a lock and key, where the lectin is the key and the carbohydrate is the lock. Only the right key can fit into the lock, ensuring that the binding is accurate and effective. Lectins are abundant in nature, found in a wide variety of plants across different ecosystems. From dense forests to open fields, these proteins are everywhere. They exist in various forms, each adapted to the specific needs and environments of the plants they protect. This diversity is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of plant life. Each type of lectin targets different carbohydrates, making them highly specialized. Scientists study these interactions to understand better how plants defend themselves and how these mechanisms can be applied in other fields. This specificity is important for understanding how lectins interact with our bodies. By studying these interactions, researchers can develop new ways to improve our health and nutrition, leveraging the natural defense mechanisms of plants. Not everyone digests lectins well. Some people experience discomfort after eating high lectin foods. This is called lectin sensitivity. Symptoms of lectin sensitivity vary. They can include bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Some people also experience joint pain or skin rashes. Why do some people react badly to lectins? One reason is that lectins can interfere with digestion. They might bind to the lining of the gut, making it harder to absorb nutrients. You can reduce lectins in food through cooking and preparation. Heat breaks down lectin proteins, making them easier to digest. Soaking beans and grains overnight helps too. This process removes some of the lectins. Sprouting is another excellent way to reduce lectins. When you sprout beans or grains, you're essentially starting the germination process. This process naturally breaks down lectins and other anti-nutrients. Fermenting foods like yogurt and sauerkraut also reduces lectins. The fermentation process uses beneficial bacteria to break down these proteins, making the food easier to digest. Some people follow a lectin-limited diet to improve their health. This diet has gained popularity in recent years, especially among those looking to address specific health concerns. The idea is to limit the intake of lectins, which are proteins found in many plant-based foods. Advocates believe that by reducing lectins, they can alleviate various health issues. This diet focuses on reducing foods high in lectins. Common foods that are high in lectins include beans, tomatoes, and grains. These foods are staples in many diets around the world, but for those following a lectin-limited diet, they are often avoided or prepared in specific ways to reduce their lectin content. It emphasizes eating foods that are naturally low in lectins or those that have been prepared to reduce lectin content. Cooking methods such as soaking, fermenting, and pressure cooking can significantly reduce the lectin levels in foods, making them safer to consume for those sensitive to lectins. A lectin-limited diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods. This means focusing on fresh fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in lectins. Shopping for fresh produce and preparing meals at home can help ensure that the foods consumed are as low in lectins as possible. These include fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and eggs are typically low in lectins and can be a great addition to a lectin-limited diet. Combining these proteins with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can create balanced and nutritious meals. Proponents of this diet believe it can help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, and improve gut health. Many people report feeling better and experiencing fewer digestive issues when they follow a lectin-limited diet. Some even claim that it has helped them achieve their weight loss goals and reduce chronic inflammation. However, it's crucial to remember that more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of a lectin-limited diet. While there are promising anecdotal reports and some preliminary studies, the scientific community has yet to reach a consensus on the overall benefits and potential risks of this dietary approach. Consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes is always recommended. Lectins can affect your body in various ways. Some of these effects depend on the type of lectin and the amount consumed. In the gut, lectins can bind to the lining, potentially interfering with nutrient absorption. This interference can lead to digestive discomfort in some individuals. Lectins can also affect the immune system. Some studies suggest they might contribute to inflammation. However, other research indicates that certain lectins might have immune-boosting properties. Section 6. Navigating the lectin landscape. Foods to enjoy and approach with caution. Many healthy foods contain lectins. It's important to be mindful of these foods and prepare them properly. Some high lectin foods include beans like kidney, black, and soybeans, lentils, grains such as wheat, rice, and corn, and nightshade vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplant. But don't be afraid to enjoy these foods. Cooking, soaking, and sprouting can significantly reduce their lectin content. Section 7. The lectin paradox. Potential benefits amidst the concerns. While lectins often get a bad rap, they also have potential benefits. Some lectins act as antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. Research suggests that certain lectins might have anti-cancer properties. These lectins may help slow tumor growth or even kill cancer cells. Furthermore, lectins play a role in cell communication. They can bind to cells in the body, potentially influencing various processes. Section 8. Demystifying lectins. Your questions answered. Question: do I need to avoid all lectins? Answer: not necessarily. Most people can tolerate lectins in moderation, especially when foods are cooked properly. Question: how do I know if I have a lectin sensitivity? Answer: pay attention to your body. If you experience digestive issues after eating high lectin foods, you might be sensitive. Question: are there any supplements that can help with lectin sensitivity? Answer: some people find digestive enzymes helpful. However, consult with your doctor before taking any new supplements. Section 9. Finding your lectin balance, a personalized approach. In this section, we will explore how to navigate the world of lectins, those naturally occurring proteins found in many plant-based foods, and how to incorporate them into your diet in a way that suits your individual needs. Lectins are a natural part of many plant-based foods. They are found in a variety of sources such as beans, lentils, tomatoes, and whole grains. These proteins play a role in the plant's defense mechanism, but they can also interact with our bodies in complex ways. While they can pose challenges for some, they also offer potential benefits. For instance, lectins have been shown to have antioxidant properties and may help in reducing inflammation. However, for individuals with certain sensitivities, they can cause digestive discomfort or other issues. The key is to find a balance that works for you. This means paying attention to how your body reacts to different foods and adjusting your diet accordingly. Some people may need to limit their intake of high lectin foods, while others may not experience any adverse effects at all. Listen to your body, prepare foods properly, and enjoy a varied and nutritious diet. Cooking methods such as soaking, fermenting, and boiling can reduce the lectin content in foods, making them easier to digest and more beneficial for your health. If you suspect you have a sensitivity, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can help you identify which foods might be causing issues and suggest alternatives or preparation methods to minimize any negative effects. Remember, food should nourish you, not stress you out. It's important to approach your diet with a sense of balance and flexibility. Enjoying a wide range of foods can help ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs without feeling restricted. By understanding lectins and their effects, you can make informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. Educate yourself about the foods you eat, experiment with different cooking methods, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if needed. Your journey to a balanced diet is unique, and finding what works best for you is key to long-term health and happiness.